In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to create a folder in the Google Drive app on your phone. Timmy already has a video about how you can create a folder on the Google Drive website on a computer, but if you're accessing Google Drive through the Google Drive app on your phone, this is how you can create a folder there. To get started, all you need to do is open the Google Drive app, and now, before you actually create your folder, you'll want to go to the location where you want to create it. So, when you open up the Google Drive app, it will normally take you to this home section here, but in this home section, it just shows you a bunch of files that you've recently accessed. It's not actually showing you all of your files and folders and everything. So, Timmy would recommend you tap on Files in the bottom right-hand corner down here. So now you can see all of your files and folders and everything all laid out correctly the way it's meant to be. And now, if you just want to create a folder directly within the main Google Drive section, all you need to do is tap the New button and go ahead and tap Folder and start creating your new folder. But if you want to create your folder within an existing folder, you can tap on that folder now, and then you would tap the New button and create a folder like that. But for the purpose of this demonstration, Timmy's just going to be in the main Google Drive area and tap New here to create a new folder here. And now, once you're in this menu, all you need to do is tap Folder because we're creating a folder. And now it'll ask you to give it a name, so you can just type in whatever you want to name your folder here, and then tap Create. And now you've created your folder. So you can see here, you have your folder in the Google Drive folder here. So it's in the main Google Drive section, and you can tap on it to open it up and see all the files inside it. But obviously there aren't any files inside it yet because we haven't added any. And when you want to go back out of your folder, you'll tap the arrow up in the top left corner and you'll go back to the main Google Drive area. But now that you've created a folder in Google Drive, you'll probably want to add some files to it. And there's actually two different ways that you can do that. You can either move existing files, or you can create or upload new files directly in the folder. So, if you want to create or upload files directly into this folder, you'll tap on the folder here to go inside it and see that it's empty here. And now, you'll tap the New button in here, and because we're inside this folder right now, anything you do here will add the file to this folder. So if you tap the Upload button in this menu and you find a file you want to upload somewhere, maybe we'll upload this one and we'll tap on that. Now that file will begin uploading to Google Drive, and as you can see, it's uploaded directly into this folder here. And similarly, if you tapped the plus button again, if you tapped Google Docs to create a new Google Doc, it'll create a new Google Doc inside that folder. And if you created a new Google Sheet or a Google Slide or a scan, so you scanned something, or you created a new folder inside the folder, everything you do in here will just be created in this new folder. Or the other option is if you have files already on Google Drive, and you just want to move them across into this folder, you can do that as well. All you need to do is tap the back arrow here to go back out of the folder, back into Google Drive. And now you'll just need to find a file that you want to move into the folder. The file could be in a different folder, or it might just be right here. And then you'll tap on the three dots next to the file you want to move, like that. And then in this menu that appears, you'll just scroll down a bit to find Move here and tap Move. And now you'll choose your folder. So we want to move it into this folder here. So we'll tap on this folder. And when we're happy with the location, we'll tap the Move button down here. And now the file has been moved into the folder. So if we go up and tap on the folder here, we can see this file is now in here. And you can also do it in bulk if you want to. If we tap this arrow to go back out to the main file section, if you press and hold on a file that you want to select, it'll have this tick here and it'll be highlighted like that. And now you can tap on any other file you want to move as well, and then you'll be able to move them all as one group. So if we scroll down, maybe we'll move this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So you can scroll through and choose as many as you want. And then once you've selected all the files you want to move, all you need to do is tap on the Move button up at the top with these icons here. It'll be the folder icon with the little arrow in it. So tap that button, and now just choose your folder again. So we want to put it inside Timmy's demonstration folder with these other files. So we'll tap Move here, and now it's moved all 6 of those files into that folder. So if we scroll up and tap on the folder here, all of these files are now in this folder. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can create and use a folder in the Google Drive app on your phone. Timmy's been using an Android phone for all of this, so if you're using an iPhone, some of the menus and buttons might look slightly different, but it is the same app, so all the buttons will still be in basically the same places, and they'll really all still do the same thing. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and Timmy will see you in the next one.